Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to create a flyer design using your smartphone. The first thing to do is to delete that default text and then click on this image size here and you are just going to give it 4 and then the height you give it 5. So I've just been importing the background I'm going to be using for this and we are actually going to put in the text and everything. So let me just import the background right now. You need to know that all resources that we're going to do the design is in the description box. You can check it out, and also you can get the pp file for this design down there in the description box. So just make sure you go down the description box and see whatever you like and get it for yourself. So guys, I've just imported the background. What I need to do is just to draw this here. So when I'm drawing it here, I'll just use the relative positioning tool to position everything to the center, as you can see right now. So I can just do a little bit of adjustment on top. So as you can see how it is. So I'm just going to write in the text that we're going to be using. So I'll be using energy. So this is energy, and then I just need to draw it. So when I draw it, it's just going to be like this, and then I'm just going to using the fonts. So I'll be using Montserrat and I'll be using the semi-bold. Let me just check for another one we can use. So I need something a little bit light and something that is also bold. So you just use your spacing positioning and space it to -7. Then reduce this again if you want, or you can just increase it again anywhere you want it to be. So I'm just going to position it here. Then you draw this your grid tool and then you check the position you want it to be, because other text will come below it. So just adjust it and then you know where to put the other things. So I think I'll put location here, then the remaining one should not be here. So I can delete all these ones. Just cancel this, cancel all this, cancel this, cancel this. So we will let it grid like this. So that is just how easy it is. So what I need to do now is just use the positioning tool. I can just adjust it to the left a bit. So I'm not going to change the color. So when I change the color, I will just need to put it to a color that is a little bit yellow, but it's not yellow. I just adjust it to the side, and then I can just do the adjustment here. So you can see this color right now. Let me show you guys the color code. So this is FFBCA. This is the color code you can use. So when you are done with that, you can also use in the shadow. You just need to turn it on. Then you're now using your offset X to position it here like this. Hope you guys are understanding it. So when you position it here like this, you just use your offset Y to bring it down a little bit, and then you reduce the opacity very well. When you see the opacity very well, you now use the offset again to do it, and then you come and trick this to the center. You just put it to the center here, and then reduce the opacity again. So this is how it's going to look. Then you can just duplicate another text again, take it to the back. So when you take it to the back, make sure it actually matches the energy and everything. You can stay on your grid, but you just need to reduce the opacity here. When you reduce the opacity here, you are just going to on the shadow like we did before. When you're on the shadow, just position it here. Yes, so I want it to have that kind of natural style. You can just increase the opacity for the shadow a bit. So I'll just increase this a bit, as you can see right now. So let me just increase it a bit. So this is how it's just going to be looking. So I don't know how you guys want to do your own, but you can just do your own like that. So when you're done, you can use your inner blur or your inner shadow. You can make it black. They can use your any you want to use it, guys. So just depending on it. You can just use it, click on the text, make it black. So you can just increase the shadow like this, anyone want to do it. So guys, that is it. Just give it the same color. It's just going to be shiny like this. So I'll just use my relative positioning tool and adjust it. So when I adjust it like this, I'm now going to select on eye. So I'll be using eye. I'm going to write eye. Then I'm going to use an autograph font. So I actually copied, like I sent in my font pack to my Telegram channel. You can go and check it out. So all the fonts I'm using, you guys can use it for yourself. So when you're done with that, this is how it's going to appear. So you can still bring this energy a little bit down. Bring this down again. So due to able to put the location, so I'll just select on location. And then so I'm just going to be using something. Let's just call it Derby Club. I just need to make everything capital letter. So I will now give it, I will give the first one to be bold, and give the second one, I give it to be medium, so it can have this kind of look. Then I just give them the same color we did. Adjust it there. So you don't want to be like this. It's very simple, guys. So the background is already set and everything. Then I need to make one lighter. So I can just like duplicate another one again. I will name it RSVP line. So it's not going to be like this. So I will not duplicate another one again. And then I will just put the RSVP and then select on. And then I can just name this. So this is just like the app in which you're able to select the RSVP. So I need to remove this here, and then I can just make this white like this, but this one needs to be real white, but not too white. You guys can see the color code up above FFFF9. I just reduce the sizing very well. So if you have reached this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video. And if you also need the type of my Pixellab, you can get it in the description box. Like I said before, anything you need is going to be in the description box. So once you have done it like this, you can see how tiny those sections are. So it's time for us to be able to put in the date. So you need to understand when designing a club file like this, which is very simple, you need to make it really attractive too. So if you notice now, you can see the element at the background. So I like downloaded this background online. I saw what I could do with the design, and I had to do it myself. So if I'm to put this on any AI tool or any photo editing tool, it's really going to come out well. That's it. So I'm just going to see the changes right now, and then I can just like draw something. We are just going to put in the text. I don't know whether I'm getting it, but you can download it. You can download this thing I'm trying to create right now. So if you're not able to create yours, but I just prefer to create it from scratch. I don't know if this is okay. Let me just import it. I think so. So I'm also going to drop this also in the description box so you can check it out. So I'll just reduce this again, like not so like that. So I'll just give it white. So when I give it white, it's going to be like this. So I'm just going to write in Tuesday. Then I'm just going to put in January, and I'm going to get 2026 because that's the day of the event. Then you need to watch what I'm going to do right now. So I'll just select this up so yeah, I think I'll give the up one medium. Okay, so you can see these were the two fonts we worked on: Montserrat medium and Montserrat semi bold. I just need to use the line spacing tool, then reduce the sizing, increase the line spacing a bit. Then I can now position it to be at the center. So you can see how easy it is. And then I just need to like select this color down, put it to be yellow. So I think this is good. So I'll just lock this and I can just duplicate it again, use it for the free entry. So this is why I don't want to pack too much font on it, because this is just a simple flyer. So putting on add fonts is not good. I see most people making that kind of mistake. So let's just use the up above. We'll use semi bold. Yes. Then using the line spacing, increase it a bit, take it here, or reduce it. Let's just give it 30. Adjust it. So we cannot duplicate it again. So when we duplicate it, here we'll write the highlights, and then we just need to like put a dot. Then we'll put in food. Then we'll put in which other thing? Let's just use dance. Let's just use okay, let's just use music. I think that's the main purpose. So you also need to put this here, and then you just need your line spacing tool. Your line spacing to adjust it a bit. Yeah. So select the fonts. So the first one, you guys know, semi bold. The last one, the font, the food and everything should be medium. And then for the text, the up one should be light. Okay. So I think this is good, guys. So I think I've come to the end of this video. Everything is adjusted perfectly. So if you're not staying for this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, because we're actually on our 100 days challenge. So that by the time I actually drop new videos by our 100 days challenge, you'll get notified quickly. So make sure you actually download resources if you want to replicate it, and don't forget to like share this channel to your friends who is actually interested, or who are actually interested in creating design for yourself using their smartphone. So you can see right now that creating design to your smartphone is very easy. Very easy. We just put in the background, and all resources like this are in the description box. You can check it out. There's no payment for it. It's completely free. Alright, without much talk, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.